All right, boys. So this should be, it is episode 10 of the Daily Market Outlooks. Today is Tuesday, the 25th of February. We have news at 10 a.m. and then, well, that's it. We have news at 10 a.m. CB Consumer Confidence. Now, let's dive in straight with the DXY. So the DXY, this is what price has been doing right now. We've been rejecting this weekly order block right here, and this is the low that I would like to be targeted as of right now. We've shifted market structure by breaking below this low, which didn't break above the high. So this is the market structure shift. We've mitigated the weekly order block right here, and now we are pushing lower. So on the daily time frame, what we can see, it's just been really clean. Basically, price has been breaking below lows and respecting highs. So we are still bearish on the week as of right now. This is currently the first target that I would like to see go this week. And I'm still looking at this daily zone right up here because I would like this daily gap to close before we see the real move down. So I'm keeping that in mind right now as we are pushing down lower. On the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is another perfect prediction. So this previous daily high got swept, and then it could go lower, but I'm still looking at this 4-hour and 4-hour zone and this 4-hour breaker. So this is still my target as of right now. Starting off at this 4-hour zone, this 4-hour breaker, this daily zone. I want price to go even more into premium before I'm looking for shorts. If we just draw our OTE, yes. Oh, it's already drawn here. So that's already our OTE. This is liquidity along the move down. So if you look at something like this, a move down like that, let me redo that. If you have a move down like this, right? If price breaks above here, are you seriously going to consider this a market structure shift, given that this is the whole move down? Like, price could be literally breaking above this high to then just create the next leg down, right? So this, for me, a little move like this is just liquidity in the major leg down, okay? So that's what I'm looking at right now. This, for me, is the major leg down, and this, for me, is still a liquid high. So even though we've swept this high, I still want this high to go. We did just have a market structure shift, so we could see price come up into here and then push lower. We could also potentially see a much larger correction, but as of right now, I'm just going to keep it simple. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And yeah, this is my first target for price right now on the DXY. On the 115, on the 15-minute time frame, what we can see is we broke below this low and then we immediately retraced all the way up here. It's not looking super clear, okay? It's really not looking super clear. We've got this little 15-minute order block with previous session low just above it, so right here. This could be interesting, maybe shorts into here and then we reject and push higher. As of right now, it's not the clearest price action because we're just a bit chopping around right now, so I don't really know. There's nothing that's screaming to me like this is where price is going to go right now, which honestly probably means that once again today I might be staying out, but let's see what price does. So that's the DXY, right? The euro now, we still have this high to target, this high right here. Ooh, my camera's in the way. We still have this high to target. We have this high as well. We have this weekly zone, and if we go to the monthly time frame, this monthly fair value gap with the breaker, and potentially we see lower prices from there. So let's go back to the weekly. It's looking weird. It's not looking perfectly clean. Yesterday's candle swept this high, and then now we are, yeah, that daily time frame right there is not looking very clean. We've swept the high, but at the same time we're displacing, so we still have these equal highs, but at the same time we swept this and we could be pushing lower right now. So not the clearest. Let's go down to the 4-hour, see what we have. So 4-hour broke above this high. Yeah, for me these are obvious lows to target, and we might want to target this high before targeting those lows. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution for our liquidity. So if price would be manipulating, or if price would be, okay, let's just go to the 1 hour time frame so I can explain this better. This right here would be the accumulation. Maybe we come up, sweep this high. That's the manipulation, and then the distribution. Now, are you ready to see the same thing on the 4 hour time frame, right? Accumulation, manipulation. In that, we get an accumulation, manipulation, and then we get the distribution. It's the same thing, but just on the 4 hour time frame. This daily, with this 4 hour candle, does not have a bottom wick. We have 2 minutes left to it. Yeah, this is my first drawn liquidity for the euro, this high right here. That's the first target for the euro before potentially heading lower short term for our liquidity. Yep, that's pretty much it. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame, see what's happening. Yeah, see, it's just not clean. I want to see this high get swept. We have this 15-minute zone right above it, and then potentially we consider some shorts. We also have this 15-minute zone right up here, which I like, this 15-minute range, which is pretty clean, 30-minute. And these equal lows all the way down here. So this is my drawn liquidity. I want to see price manipulate this high, then head lower. That's what I've been saying. So GBP USD is disgusting for me. It is my destiny to avoid trading this. Yeah, right now, unclear for me. This is still a target on GBP USD. On the 4 hour time frame, are those equal highs? No. It's technically a sweep, but it's not clear, so I'm not going to bother the 4 hour time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, yeah, we swept that high. We have this 1 hour order block, so maybe we get some SMT. 1 hour and the 15-minute time frame. This 15-minute zone. And yeah, it's pretty obvious that we want to head lower because of these equal lows, and we might get SMT build up here. So yeah, as I'm saying, we might see SMT right now. I'm already going to mark it out in anticipation of the potential SMT before we start heading lower. That is an old midnight open, which I'm going to reuse right here. And we could potentially see price come push up into here, and then boom, we target the lows. So currently short-term bearish for Tuesday into these lows down here, and DXY into these highs. But first we would need to see price manipulate, do a manipulation of some sort. We are in this 15-minute text zone. So that's it. Right now, euro, I'm looking to see price trade lower by sweeping above this high first. And then the pound, same thing, but we already have this zone. So that is it for today's daily market outlook. Let me mention the Discord right here, even though most of you don't stay till the end. Boys, we are at 78 members right now, which is insane. We are at 70. Oh, let me make sure you guys can see that. Whoa, now I'm really tiny. So 7 online, 7 online, and 71 offline. That's 78 members right now. So it's pretty crazy, and we're gonna keep growing. If you go to the we get at least basically 5 members join every day and gain direct value from this Discord. So we cooking, bro. That is it for today's video, and see you guys tomorrow.